Oh no! vSphere patching doesn't work. You are not alone. Broadcom has rolled out a significant change that affects all VMware patching workflows. Shared public patch URLs are no longer supported. From now on, every environment must use per customer download tokens for accessing software depots across ESXi, vCenter, VAMI, and Cloud Foundation components. Let's break down how to get your tokens and how to fix your patching problems. You'll probably notice error like VLCM, failed to download VIPs, HTTP 403, VAMI, the vCenter service is not able to reach the specific URL, or vCenter updates saying authentication failed, or patches just don't appear. So to fix that, let's head on to Broadcom support portal first, and let's put our credentials to log into the portal. Once we logged into the portal, we have to scroll down to the quick links option over here and generate download token. Let's click on it. And if you don't have a token, you have to click on the site ID, choose the site ID, and then click generate token. I already have a token, and as you can see, it's active. So what I need to do is to copy that token and go to the next step.
Do you want to know what's chasing me? If so, check this book at Amazon.com. Tales from the Shadows, Unraveling the Unbelievable.
First step, let's fix vCenter updates. Let's log into VAMI and then let's click on Update section. Now click on Settings, and in default you can see the old unsupported URL. So now click on Specify, and here you will enter new URL. Do you remember when I asked you to copy your token? Now is the place to use it. You have to get this new URL, which I am displaying here, and where it says download token, you have to replace that part with your token. And don't worry, I will put all the links in the video description. Now, once you click save, it will check for an update, and you will be able to see the update, and you will be able to update your vCenter. So the first step is done.
I know this, it's familiar.
Yes. Tales from the Shadows, Unraveling the Unbelievable, Amazon.com.
Second step is to go to Lifecycle Manager in your vCenter, and then click on the settings and patch setup. Now you can see the 4 links which are old and unsupported anymore. So what we need to do is to either delete them or we can disable them. To do so, you need to click on the one of the links and click disable, and repeat that for all the links. Now we are going to add a new links, and again all the links will be in the video description. So to add a new links, just click on the new and paste your new link with your token, like so. And repeat that for all 4 links. Once you have all 4 links added, please restart your VMware Update Manager with that command. However, I found that this is not enough and I had to reboot my vCenter server. After reboot, the server was back and updates were running with no issues. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching that video. If you found this helpful and informative, please leave a like and subscribe. That helps my channel to grow and to reach to more users. Also, if you can click notification bell, you will not miss any other future videos. As usually, see you in the next video. Bye.